Hello friend, today we are studying the point food poisoning of bacterial origin, two part. Myself is Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan. This is of BSc second year, paper number 8, unit number 4, exotoxins. These toxins are the macromolecules of protein origin. They are originating from the protein, which are produced and later released in the medium by microorganism. So they are called as exotoxin. They are released in the medium by microorganism. Depending on their mechanism of action, exotoxins are divided into following types: type 1, type 2 and type 3 exotoxins. First we study the toxin type 1. These are the toxins. These are the macromolecule. These are also of a protein origin. These are produced and later released in a medium by the macroorganism. Here we are studying the bacterial origin toxins. Depending on their mechanism of action, exotoxins are divided into following: host cell without internalizing in the cell. Example: superantigen produced by the Streptococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes. These are the internalizing in the cell without internalizing the host cell. They are not rupture the cell membrane or not produce any harm to the cell of the host. These are the type 1. Toxins type 2. With this group there are hemolysin and phospholipases. This group of toxin is characterized by the pore formation or destroying the membrane of host cell. This is a main characteristic of the type 2 toxins. They destroy the membrane of host cell or form a hole or pore to the membrane of the host cell. First type toxins do not produce any harm to the host cell. This second type make harm to the membrane of the host cell. This is the difference between type first and type second type of toxin. With this virulence factor, the pathogen can invade the host cell. In first type, they are not invade to the host cell. In second type, they are invade to the host cell. For example, erythrosin or GCAT protein produced by the Aeromonas species of bacteria produce one special type of protein. This protein is known as a GCAT protein that make the harm to the host cell. Type 3 of toxin. These toxins are known as AB due to their binary structure. Binary means form of a two component. This toxin is form of a A and B type of component. Type first and type second. They are the not form of such binary structure. But type third is main characteristic. They are the binary in structure. This point is asked in your MCQ questions. This is an important difference between part 1, part 2 and part type 3 of toxins. Fraction B has the function of binding to the receptor of the cell, and fraction A is the unit that possesses enzymatic activity which, depending on the toxins, its mechanism of action will be damage the cell. For the example, Sagitta toxin produced by the Escherichia coli 157 H7, cholera toxin CTX produced by the Vibrio cholerae, and the anthrax toxin produced by the Bacillus anthracis. These exotoxins of a negative, gram-negative type of the bacteria are produced. The third type of toxins. As we described, these are the binary structure. Fraction B is bind to the receptor of the cell, and function of a fraction A unit possesses a enzymatic activity. Depend upon the which toxin is secreted or produced by the bacteria or mechanism of action of toxin that act on a host cell. Type second are act on a membrane of the cell of the host cell, but type third toxin can damage the cell. These are the example of this is Escherichia coli and cholera toxins. Vibrio cholerae is a main bacteria that produce a cholera toxin. This is also important point for MCQ point of view, and they are gram negative. Group of toxins. These are also two other groups of toxins, those that alter the cytoskeleton and those with a neurotoxic activity. However, some toxin may present activity corresponding to one more than one of group described in the next slide. Here is we are discussing the group of toxins. These toxins are two types which are alter the cytoskeleton. These toxins alter their cytoskeleton, and second type is that act on a neurotoxicity action, that act toxic to the neurons of the host cell, and their activity is a special one or more type, and they are as follows. First, we describe the enterotoxins. Enterotoxins is a net secretion in a ligated intestinal segment without histological evidence of intestinal lesion and damage to the non-erythrocytic cell in vitro test. These enterotoxins, when we tested the host cell or non-erythrocytic cell of the host, we are not see to the damage to the intestinal segment of the host due to the toxin of the bacteria. There is no lesion or damage due to the toxin of bacteria to the host cell. They are enterotoxin. It stimulates the increase in the short circuit current. They act as a circuit current, short circuit current, and the potential difference PD in the using chamber without evidence of intestinal damage. They act by the short circuit current or a potential difference. They not make any damage to the host cell. This result involve in a secretion of active electrogenic anion. By this short circuit current, electrogenic anion are produced. Additionally, a toxin can impair electrically neutral NaCl absorb, which also result in a net secretion of ion. In this process, the electrically neutral NaCl are absorbed by the cell, and net secretion ion is also as a result of the short circuit current and potential difference produced by the toxin. These toxins are also known as enterotoxin. They not make to the damage to the intestinal damage or intestinal lesion. They act by the short circuit current or potential difference. Cytoskeleton altering toxin. Cytoskeleton altering toxin, it alters the cellular of form and has been frequently shown to be caused by the F-actin rearrangement. Cytoskeleton alter toxin alter their cytoskeleton. like our skeleton, cyto means cell, skeleton means structure. They alter the cell structure, so they are altering cytoskeleton, and they causes by the F-acting rearrangement. F-acting filaments are we are see and we are study F-acting filaments. This filament rearrangement is occur by the change the cytoskeleton of the bacteria. This toxin causes limited cell damage but no lethal. They can causes the limited cell damage to the host cell, but they are not lethal, not produce the death of a host. It may or may not be associated with the evidence of a net secretion in vivo or in vitro diseases model in a intestinal epithelial cell. Means they are not associated with any evidence of net secretion. They not secrete any secretion. In vivo means inside the cell, in vitro means outside the cell, which diseases occur. This model also not affect the intestinal epithelial cell of a host that is studied. These are known as a cytoskeleton altering toxins. Cytotoxins. Cytotoxins is cause a cell or tissue damage. They causes directly tissue damage, usually ending with a cell death. They are lethal. First type are not lethal, and these cytotoxins are lethal to the host cell. The toxins may or may not be associated with a net secretion in vivo or in vitro diseases model. Like first we study that endotoxins that are these are also not in vivo or in vitro diseases model and not affect to the intestinal epithelial cell of the host cell. They are known as the cytotoxins. They make a tissue damage and usually end with the cell death. This point is important. Neurotoxins. Neurotoxins involve the release of one or more neurotransmitter from the enteric nervous system, and it alters the activity of a smooth muscle in the intestine. These are known as neurotoxins. They release a neurotransmitter, so they are known as a neurotoxin related to the neurons. Means they are release one or more neurotransmitter, and their enteric nervous system where they release the neurotransmitter from the enteric nervous system. They alter the activity of the smooth muscle in the intestine. They not make any damage, but they affect the activity of intestinal smooth muscle. Toxin produced by pathogen involve the foodborne diseases as follow. Many diseases are produced by the pathogens. Here we are studying the bacterial origin food poisoning diseases. First is a cholera toxin, CTX. It is produced by the Vibrio cholerae. Thermolabile toxin, ELT. Thermostable toxin, ST. Enterotoxic E. coli. Shiga toxin, Shigella, dysentery and E. coli 157H7. Botulinum toxin, BTX. Clostridium botulinum. EPE, enterotoxin. Clostridium perfringens. Alpha toxins, beta toxin, epsilon toxin, lota toxin, C. perfringens, toxin A and toxin B, Clostridium difficile. These are the name of a toxin produced by the pathogens. Here we study the enterotoxins. Some example of enterotoxins: Clostridium perfringens, alpha toxin, beta toxin, epsilon toxin, lota toxin, C. perfringens, and toxin A and toxin B, Clostridium difficile, enterotoxin A, B, C1, C2, D, E, G, H, and I and J toxin. Toxic shock syndrome toxin. They are in short known as a TSST1. Cerulidea D and hemolysin BL, HBl, non-hemolytic enterotoxin NHE, S. aureus, cytotoxin K or CYTK, Bacillus cereus. These are example of enterotoxins. Epidemiology. In high population growth, the food marketing have generated a pathogen causing a FBDs, foodborne diseases, to be quickly transported. This has been produced an outbreak in a different region, affecting the mortality and the economy of population involved. They produce a mortality, means death is produced by the FBD, and they are affect the economy of population also. The trend seen in the United States, the United Kingdom, Europe indicate that the incidence of FBD, foodborne diseases, is increases. This will be the health problem in following years. Foodborne diseases. A total of 66% of foodborne diseases is caused by the bacteria. Main reason of foodborne diseases 66% is a bacteria. Major diseases including botulism caused by the C. botulinum and gastrointestinal caused by the Escherichia E. coli strain, salmonellosis and staphylococcus poisoning. Moreover, the Botulinum cereus and Vibrio cholerae are the bacteria frequently repeatedly cause the agent of the toxicon infection from a food or by food. These are the foodborne diseases. Food poisoning. Poisoning due to the infected food eaten by man or any other animal. Products released to food poisoning causes a Staphylococcus aureus are chicken, eggs, cakes, pasties, saucers, milk and its derived product. Causes of food poisoning. Food poisoning caused by the Clostridium botulinum is less frequent. Their frequency of Clostridium botulinum poisoning is less, and the epidemiological information about is a scarce. Outbreak of the food poisoning caused by this pathogen usually include the members of one family. That is, they do not involve the large number of individuals, and main cause of the outbreak is a consumption of canned food at home. Canned food when we eat, then food poisoning is occur more time. Thank you.